Yes, you can actually get paid to watch YouTube videos. And no, this isn't a scam. It's 2025 and the internet is packed with opportunities to make some side cash. Yeah, you're not going to be quitting your day job tomorrow. But if you've got some downtime and you're already scrolling through your phone, why not get paid for it? In this video, we're diving deep into 6 legit platforms that'll reward you for watching videos. We're talking about how much you can actually make, the best tips to maximize your earnings, and the things you need to watch out for. Whether you're trying to cover your next coffee run or just want a little extra spending money, stick around for the breakdown. First up, we've got Swagbucks Watch. This platform is all about earning points, called Swagbucks, by watching a curated playlist of videos. Think movie trailers, news clips, even those satisfying things, compilations you can't stop watching. Now here's the deal. You're not going to be racking up hundreds of dollars overnight. On average, you can expect to earn around 5 to 10 Swagbucks per playlist, which translates to roughly 5 to 10 cents. But hey, every penny counts, right? The key here is consistency. Log in daily, knock out a few playlists, and those points will start adding up. Plus, Swagbucks often runs bonus point events and offers special playlists with higher payouts. Once you've earned enough, you can cash out for gift cards to places like Amazon, Target, and even PayPal Cash. Look, I'm being straight up Swagbucks. Watch isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're looking for a simple, passive way to earn a few bucks while watching videos, it's definitely worth checking out. Next on the list is Inbox Dollars Video Club, a platform that literally pays you to watch short video clips and ads. Think of it like those old-school TV commercials, but instead of interrupting your favorite show, you're choosing to watch them and getting rewarded for it. Now I know you're probably thinking, how much can I really make watching ads? Well, it's not going to be a fortune, but it's a decent way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. On average, you can earn a few cents per video, and they usually run around 30 seconds to a minute long. The best part is that Inbox Dollars also lets you earn by taking surveys and completing other small tasks, so you can maximize your earnings. Plus, they offer a $5 sign-up bonus just for joining. The key to making the most of Inbox Dollars is to be consistent. Log in daily, watch a few videos, and take advantage of the other earning opportunities they offer. It might not seem like much at first, but those small amounts can add up over time. Alright, let's talk about Hideout.tv. This platform is all about watching videos and earning points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards. The cool thing about Hideout.tv is that they have a huge variety of content, from gaming videos and tech reviews to funny clips and educational content. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hideout.tv itself doesn't handle the cash outs. Instead, you link your account to a GPT, Get Paid To website like GG2U or LootUp. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to earn points from Hideout.tv and then cash out through their systems. The earnings on Hideout.tv can vary depending on the videos you watch and the GPT site you choose, but on average, you can expect to earn around 1 point for every few minutes of watch time. The key to maximizing your earnings is to find a GPT site that offers the best conversion rates for Hideout.tv points. Do your research, compare the options, and choose the one that works best for you. Chapter 4, Reward XP, level up your earnings by watching videos. If you're a fan of gaming, you're gonna love Reward XP. This platform is all about gamifying the earning experience, allowing you to level up and unlock rewards by watching videos, completing surveys, and participating in other activities. Reward XP offers a wide variety of videos to choose from, including gaming streams, tutorials, and even esports tournaments. You earn points for every video you watch, and those points can be redeemed for gift cards, crypto, and other rewards. The earning potential on Reward XP can be pretty decent, especially if you're an active user. They have a tiered reward system, so the more you participate, the more points you earn per action. Plus, they often run special events and contests where you can win even bigger rewards. The key to success on Reward XP is to be consistent and take advantage of all the earning opportunities they offer. Watch videos, complete surveys, refer your friends, and participate in contests to maximize your earnings. Chapter 5, iSense, microtasking your way to extra cash. iSense is another popular GPT platform that offers a variety of ways to earn money online, including watching videos. Now, unlike some of the other platforms we've covered, video watching isn't the main focus on iSense. It's just one of many micro-tasking opportunities they offer. On iSense, you can find short video tasks that pay a few cents each. These tasks usually involve watching product demos, app trailers, or other short clips. The pay per task is relatively low, but they're quick and easy to complete, so you can knock out a bunch of them in a short amount of time. The real earning potential on iSense comes from combining video tasks with other micro-tasking opportunities, such as surveys, paid offers, and completing small online tasks. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earnings and reach your financial goals faster. The key to success on iSense is to be patient and persistent. Don't expect to get rich quick, but if you put in the effort and stay consistent, you can earn a decent amount of extra cash on the side. Chapter 6. Time bucks or Fiverr. Get paid for watch time, but be careful. Finally, let's talk about Time Bucks and Fiverr, which offer a slightly different approach to earning money by watching videos. Instead of watching videos directly on their platforms, you're essentially taking on freelance gigs, where people are looking to boost their watch time on platforms like YouTube. On Time Bucks and Fiverr, you can find tasks from creators who are willing to pay for watch time. These tasks typically involve watching a specific video for a certain amount of time, and you'll get paid a small fee for your time. The earning potential for watch time gigs can vary greatly, depending on the length of the video, the platform, and the client's budget. However, it's important to be cautious and make sure the tasks you're accepting are legitimate. Here are a few red flags to watch out for. Unrealistic promises of high earnings. If a task is offering significantly more than the average rate, it's probably too good to be true. Requests for personal information. Legitimate clients will never ask for your personal information, such as your social security number or bank account details. Upfront payments. You should never have to pay to access tasks or receive payments. If you're considering earning money through watch time gigs, do your research, read reviews, and proceed with caution. So there you have it, 6 legit platforms where you can actually get paid to watch videos in 2025. Now, I'm not saying you'll be swimming in cash overnight, but if you're strategic and consistent, you can definitely earn some extra spending money. Bonus: combine these apps with referral bonuses or run multiple tabs at once to multiply your earnings. Think about it, you're already watching, might as well maximize your time. Want a full tutorial on setting up an automation system? Comment automate below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real ways to earn online. In my next video, we're diving into how to make money watching Netflix. See you in the next one.